everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. First, having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC, so I hope your days are going great. Alright, so I just got back from the Bay, and I got this really cool Gucci bag. And I got a few things to unbox to let you know what I found at the Bay today. And also, my bag of the day is my 1988 Coach 1941 bag. And I did get a request to show what fits in it. So thank you for that. And I will be doing that probably later on this week. All right. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. So I got this Gucci beauty bag, which was really nice. And let's go ahead and unbag it. And the lady there is very nice, Kelly. So thank you, Kelly. All right, so I got Givenchy Gentlemen Society perfume, and we have this in the 331 fluid ounces, and that's for Ted. His ran out today, so it worked out pretty good. It smells great. He hasn't tried this one. He had the regular Gentleman one, but this is a new one. So anyways, that's for him. He'll love that. And let's see here. I got this is the new Gucci Floral, and this is in what's that one? Magnolia. All right, so I'm looking forward to using that. And this one is really pretty. And they have these gift sets too, so you can get this, the hand cream, and then the travel spray. But I thought I would just try this instead. All right, so that's the Gucci Floral. All right, what else here? And she did, let's see here. I got a lipstick, and I got a Chanel top coat. All right, here we go. All right, so she had this in the store, which I thought was pretty unusual because the Abbotsford store does not have Chanel products, but she said this was a return. And it's the top coat from the holiday collection, and it's $3.47, and it has that gold shimmer. So she gave this to me for half price, so I thought that was really nice. And it hasn't been used or anything, but it's the one with the gold flecks in it. So I thought that was nice that she gave it to me for half price. So I have one, but for half price for Chanel, even though it's a top coat, you really have to, you can't say no. All right, so that was my little special. All right, and they finally had the rose cocktail in LANCOME. This color is very hard to find. It's really bright pink. So yeah. There you go. That is a cool color. I do have the orange on from Chanel, so I'll leave this is the one that has no number, but it's orange. It was in one of the limited edition boxes a long time ago, but there's no number, so I don't know what the number would be. unfortunately, but it is an orange color. One of my faves. And I even emailed Chanel and sent them a picture of the color, and Chanel could not tell me what the color was. So there you go. All right, what else did she give me? She gave me a whole bunch of samples. Wow, she really outdoes herself. She's a very nice lady. All right, let's see here. Wowee, what the heck? Oh, she gave me a cosmetic bag from Gucci. So that was nice. And she gave me a Gucci sample. And she gave me a Givenchy Irresistible sample. That's a pretty good size sample, really. And then she gave me all these samples. Some for Ted too, which is pretty cool. All right. Scandal. Ooh. Okay. Bad Boy. Ooh, now we're talking. She gave me a Prada sample, Ocean. Okay, that's pretty cool. And let's see here. This is another Wanted. Yeah, I don't recognize any of those names. But I'll go through those and see which ones. We're going to split them up. And we have Gucci Flora. She gave me another one. She gave me a pink one. That's the same. And that one's the same. Yeah, they're Flora Banquet Boutique. Yeah, they have Jasmine, they have Magnolia, and the other one is Gardenia. So I am trying the Magnolia one. And because I have a Gardenia Chanel, but it's not what I was thinking it would smell like. So I do have a sample of the Gucci one, which is right here, the pink one. So I'm gonna try that and see if that's any consolation type of deal. But yeah, she did outdo herself. And then I got a really cool Gucci beauty bag. So they do have those things online. I don't know if you guys know about it, but you can get the plastic and then you can convert the gift bags into bags. So I'm gonna look into that because this is very cool. So that may be a kind of a cool bag, actually. All right, so that is my perfume extravaganza. And I hope everybody's doing safe. What's your favorite perfume? Let me know in the comments below. Share, like, subscribe, make sure you do. It's all free. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.